Now, the first animal people will experience as they enter the Great Bear Wilderness Trail is an animal that has special significance. It's the American bald eagle. And here at Great Bear Wilderness, we talk a bit more about things other than conservation and the animals themselves. We talk a bit more about what these animals actually mean to the environment and have meant to different cultures in the past. For example, the bald eagle represents our conservation success here at Great Bear Wilderness. The bald eagle was dangerously close to extinction, but no matter what this animal symbolized to an individual, whether a person thought it symbolized our nation or symbolized fertility, if you're talking about some of the First Nations and cultures, we all rallied together to save this animal when it was in trouble. Now the bald eagle is off the endangered species list and serves as an important reminder to us that no matter what conservation initiative we embark upon, there is hope and we can achieve success as long as we do it through unity. So we invite you to come down, take a look at the American bald eagle, read about some of the symbolism this animal portrayed and represented in some different cultures, but more importantly, we want you to come down and think about what this animal means to you. So come on down to Great Bear Wilderness and visit the bald eagle. Now, about the bald eagles themselves, the bald eagles are very unique birds. You see, these animals don't mature until they're 5 years old, and that's when the unique characteristic white feathers on the head and the white feathers on the tails appear. This is one of the reasons this animal was chosen to be our national symbol. Believe it or not, there was big debate because originally it was supposed to be the turkey. Very happy that they decided upon the bald eagle. Now, bald eagles are fishing birds, and that is one of the reasons that they did get into trouble. You see, these animals usually live near bodies of water and prefer to eat fish. They will swoop down, dip their claws into a body of water just up to where it's about to bend and grab fish the size of salmon and trout. Take that back to their nest and eat. Now, due to the overuse of DDT by farmers, a lot of this pesticide ran off into the water systems. And some researchers believe that when the eagle started to eat fish that was laden with this DDT, because DDT binds with fat and stays within the fish body, it started to affect the bald eagles, the females in particular, when they laid eggs. The theory is that the females would lay eggs with soft shells, and when the females would sit on these eggs to incubate them, they would inadvertently crush the eggs that they were trying to incubate. When we found out that this was a problem, laws were passed, other pesticides were used so that DDT would no longer be a threat to eagles. But DDT was just one of the many problems that eagles faced. They also faced competition with people, deforestation. Losing their habitat was a big problem for eagles until we learned how to coexist with them. And believe it or not, for a long time, there was a bounty on eagles in Alaska which did not get abolished until the 50s. That's why it took people from so many walks of life in so many areas in the political arena to come together and pass laws to get rid of this bounty, to make sure that we had protected areas for eagles, and to make sure that we stopped the overuse of DDT. These were just 3 of the many things that we had to do to make sure that eagles were safe. Again, proving that if we work together, we can achieve conservation success.